Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jacob with Moreno's Landscaping and Lawn Maintenance out here in Central Florida. And today, this video is basically what I'm doing is I'm changing the field system out of my hedge trimmer. The other day I was trimming. For some reason, it has like a pinhole on the field line that's just gushing out a lot of gas when I'm using it. I actually had to wrap it up with this so I can get, wrap up that field line with this, so that at least get the job done, get that whole day done. So you know how it is. You don't want to waste that time riding back and forth trying to get that fixed. So yeah, so I used one of these and wrapped it up. Got the job done. Hopefully I didn't kill no shrubbery or anything. But anyways, so I saw this and I thought I went go ahead and try this because I was just gonna buy the field line, but this is a whole kit. It's called a UCAN maintenance kit. It's the whole field system kit. So I'm just go ahead and just change everything out. All right. So this is what this video is about, guys. All right, guys. So the tools that we're gonna use for this is this a Phillips and a piece of wire. And basically the wire is just to grab out that the filter, to fish it out of the gas tank. And then the Phillips is basically, that's all we're gonna need. But with this here, this is the whole assembly, is the whole field system kit. And what it comes with, it says it comes with the field filter, the field lines, the grommet, gasket, and the purge bulb. So let's see what. So you have your the gasket that goes on the fuel tank cap. You have your primer bulb, and then that's it. You have your field filter. You have your field lines. You have this. I forgot. I guess this is the grommet part they were talking about. So yeah, so that's what that comes with. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with taking this cover off, the field filter cover. That's off. This is leaking a lot of gas here. What we want to get to is in here. So what we're gonna do, I already took out the gas out of here, or actually I just ran it. I just kept using it until I didn't have no more gas. But so basically this is pretty simple, guys. This you got these two screws here, and these two screws here go to your whole carburetor. That so once you undo these two, the whole thing's gonna come undone. I hope I'm making sense while I do this, because I'm not a real good talker. I'm just a doer. So trying to learn how to describe things here. So we got these two screws, are pretty long. And by taking this off, guys, it just makes it a whole lot easier to do the work that we need to be done. So that comes done, and you see everything just comes undone. Everything. Don't want to lose your gasket. All right. So this is your carburetor here, and basically what we're gonna do is unhook all this. There's that. Take this out. Use your screwdriver, your Phillips here. Actually, you can just pull these out. Just pull them out. That makes. Well, I guess I don't need this wire because this filter seems to fit right through the entrance here. There we go. All right, so we just took all that out, and this seems to be all good. Good. What happened was, it was this piece here. You can see it has a little hole. There it is. Look, you can see where it cracked. So so this went bad. This is actually still good. But like I said, I'm just gonna replace everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this back in here. So basically all we're doing is doing everything reverse. You gotta make sure these fuel lines go all the way up. You don't want them, you don't want to be on the tip because you don't want them to come undone. All right, so now that's done. Well, since I already got this open here, I'm gonna go ahead and just take out this primer bulb, whatever. The same thing, you got 4 screws here that go all the way around. And these are pretty short screws. And actually, I think there's still gas in there. Oops. Alright, so got all 4 done, and this pops right out, and then the new one pops right in, just like that. And I screw all the screws back in. So, and for me, guys, the hedge trimmers, this is my have-to, man. This is like hedge trimming and shaping up shrubbery. That's like, what, 8% of my business. All right, so that's done. Got those 4 screws in. Make sure they're tight. All right, gasket. Gasket back here. Alright, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and wipe these. Get some of this stuff off. the whole thing, guys, is, you know, this is real simple. Look, we're almost done already. You know, if I would have took this in, you know, they would have charged me, I don't know what it was, I don't know what the rates are, what, like $65 a rate, an hour or whatever. So, and then you would have charged for the parts. So by one thing I like, this is one thing that I like about Echo, and I hear this from a lot of people, is that Echo is real easy to work with. Real easy to do your own repairs on them. All right, so that's done. That's on, and then do the fill line here. This is still good, but since hold on. See, I don't see no cracks on here or nothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save this. No, I'm just going to change everything out. Alright, you know, if I'm already doing one thing, what's to do everything? Because, you know, these gaskets, they wear out too, and then you'll start getting the leaks out of here. So that's it. This pops right in, pops right out. So that's it. Put this back in. And one thing about this stuff is that you don't have to buy this kit. You could buy the fill filter by itself. You could buy the bulb by itself. You could buy this gasket by itself. This I don't know what they call this. I think it was called a gourmet. You could buy that itself. All this stuff you could buy itself. The fill line, you know, you could buy itself. I did pay. I want to say, I don't really remember because I bought a lot of stuff when I went and got this. It was between $15 and $19. I think it was between $15 and $19. It was between there for the kit. I think stuff by themselves, it comes out about the same or maybe a little more. But like I said, this is my first time using this. So that's it. Let's check. Oh yeah, I don't got no mix in there. Hold on. Alright, so that's working. See all the gas in there? Turn it on. Alright, just double check and make sure there's no leaks in there. Everything looks good. So hopefully that was helpful. Like I said, it's my first time using this, and it is the Echo UCAN maintenance kit, and it was the fuel system kit. So hopefully it's pretty cool because all you needed was your Phillips, and that was it. That's all you needed. No extra tools or nothing. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share. If you have a comment, good or bad, let me know, because the only way I can get better at this if y'all be honest with me. All right. So thanks, guys. Peace out.